I am Marc Saperstein, one of the founding partners of Davis Saperstein and Solomon. Our firm's main office is located in Teaneck, New Jersey, and we are in the process of moving our 29 attorneys and staff in order to work remotely. We are continuing to service our clients in New Jersey and New York and are handling new cases through our technology. At Davis Saperstein and Solomon, your safety is our main concern, and we ask that you follow all the healthcare directives from our local, state, and federal governments. We are grateful and thank our brave first responders, the police, and the medical community, many of whom we represent. We wish all those who are affected to stay healthy and safe as we go through these trying times. God bless you and your families.